Okay, let's get on to today's topic. I need to get a 50-footer HDMI 2.1 cable. Usually, HDMI active cables are not CL2 or fire rated, but this one is. I'm gonna put the link in my description just to make it easier for you to purchase it if you need one. The brand is RuiPro, and when you open the box, you get this small sheet of paper stating the cable is in-wall fire rated and a reminder that the cable can only work in one direction. Outside of that piece of cardboard, there is no manual. The quality of the cable itself is impeccable with metal heads. There you go. Beautiful. And of course, the cable itself is unidirectional, clearly marked with source. There you go. That's plugged into your source. And display. So you plug in that part to the TV or projector. As mentioned earlier, the cable is CL2 fire rated for in-wall usage, or equivalent to FT4 fire rating for you fellow Canadians. The cable passed through all the HDMI 2.1 tests from PS5. And as we know, PS5 is currently the most demanding HDMI 2.1 source. And if you want to know what HDMI 2.1 entails, well, here is the list for you. You can just pause the video and read it for yourself. Having tested the cable using PS5 connected to both my TVs and both my projector, the RS3100 and the BenQ 4550, with absolutely no error whatsoever, and a very minimal voltage swing from 4.8 volts to 5.2 volts, for the price of about $140 US for a 50-footer, I'm sure the cable really fits most people's needs. Especially if you want to bury this cable inside the ceiling or inside the wall. Even more so if you care about fire rating. So that's it for the quick review. Please share your thoughts and prayers in the comments down below. Thanks for listening to my ramblings. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.